Hello. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to remove files and directories with a simple command, which is rm. And it is a short name for remove. This command allows us to remove files and directories. We have here, in the desktop, one file and one directory. First, let's remove the file. So we type rm, then the name of the file, then press enter to run the command line. Now, the file has been deleted. And if we wanted to remove this folder, we need to add -r. So again, we type rm, then -r, because we are going to remove a directory, then the name of the directory. Now we press enter, and the folder has been removed. We can use -f to force remove the files, and -f means force remove, so if the file is read only, it will remove it anyway. We can add -rf to force remove the directories. F is dangerous, and be careful while using it. Now we have learned how to remove files and directories using the rm command. See you in the next lesson.